Zolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 16th question from Digital SAT Test 1. And the question is, which choice completes a text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? In other words, what answer is correct? So we're going to read from the beginning of the paragraph. In 1930, Japanese-American artist Chihiro Abada depicted the natural beauty of Yosemite National Park in two memorable woodcuts, Evening at Carl Inn and Lake Basin in the High Sierra. In 2019, then we get our answer choices. What we've got is a pronoun followed by a verb. So first off, let's make sure we've got subject-verb agreement for all the answer choices. It was yes, they were yes, this was yes, somewhere, yeah. So in 2019, blank exhibited alongside 150 of Obada's other works in a single artist show at the Smithsonian's American Art Museum. And what we've got before it is we've got two works, Evening at Carl Inn and Lake Basin in the High Sierra. So first off, the pronouns. Every pronoun has what's called an antecedent. It's a noun that the pronoun or nouns that the pronoun refers to or replaces. Now, Evening at Carl Inn and Lake Basin in the High Sierra, those are two works, not one. So it's not going to be it, it's not going to be this, because those are both singular. It would have to be either they were or some were exhibited alongside 150 of Obada's other works. So how do we decide? Well, some is just talking in general about Obada's works, but you wouldn't say some were exhibited along 150 of her other works, because some would include her other works. We're talking about these two works in particular. So what we need is they. They meaning those two works were exhibited alongside 150 of the other works in the single art show at Smithsonian American Art Museum. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these types of questions, pronoun-antecedent agreement, or subject-verb agreement. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.